Hello students, welcome in your English online class. We are continuing with the topic past continuous tense and today is the turn of exercise number 18.3. It is given at page number 99 in your book of Brevia. So here we are with the exercise. At first sentence, mother dash lunch when they dash. Here we are having options prepared or was preparing. अब मदर खाना बना रही थी when they dash, जब वो आए. It means the action that was continuing, जो action बेटा continuation में था, for that action we will go with past continuous tense. It means mother was preparing lunch when they came. You will write here mother was preparing lunch when they came, because for the action that was in continuation in past we will go with past continuous tense, and the action that interrupted in between, that happened in between, जो action बीच में हो जाता है, for that we go for simple past tense. This option will come in the second blank. Second sentence is Tarun was very unlucky. It dash every day during his holidays. कहता है उसके holidays में क्या होती रही? It was raining. The action that was continuing. It was raining. It was raining during his holidays. The action was continued. At number 3, who was that man you dash to when I dash by the temple? In this tense, what do? We will go with who was that man you were talking to, because this action was continuing. Who were talking to when I dash by the temple, when I walked by the temple. कहता है जब मैं मंदिर जा रहा था तो आप किससे बातें कर रहे थे. नेक्स्ट इज लास्ट वीकेंड सुषमा डैश एंड डैश हर लेग. लास्ट वीकेंड पिछले हफ्ते. नाउ the action was not continued, both the actions were over. सुषमा fell. पिछले हफ्ते सुषमा गिर गई थी. सुषमा fell and broke her leg. और उसकी टांग टूट गई थी. broke her leg. Number 5, when I dash the cafeteria, Sunny dash lunch with Parmeet. अब द एक्शन दैट वॉज कॉन्टिन्यूइंग कि सनी परमीत के साथ लंच कर रहा था, एंड द एक्शन दैट हैपन्ड इन बिटवीन व्हेन आई एंटर्ड. व्हेन आई एंटर्ड इन द कैफेटेरिया, सनी वॉज हैविंग लंच. सनी वॉज हैविंग लंच विथ परमीत. एट नंबर 6, वी डैश to Bareilly in Rohit's new car. We drove to Bareilly in Rohit's new car. हम रोहित की नई कार में बरेली गए थे. In 7th sentence we are having the sun dash when I dash this morning. The sun was shining when I got up this morning. The sun was shining. The sun was shining. And the action that interrupted, that happened in between, when I got up this morning. Annie finally dash us the whole story about the accident. Annie finally told us. आखिरकार एनी ने हमें एक्सीडेंट की पूरी कहानी बताई थी. इज इट ओके? एंड while talking about exercise 18.14, in this exercise students, what we have to do, we are having questions and we have to answer the questions in the same tense. So here we are with the first one. When did you join this school? आपने ये स्कूल कब ज्वाइन किया था? I joined this school only last year. Now you see that the question is in past tense, did is here. So in answer you will also apply second form of the verb. Second, what did your English teacher teach you today? Now our English teacher taught us, teach, taught. Second form will be applied here, taught us some grammar rules. Question number 3. Where from did you buy this beautiful dress? Now again we are having past tense here, did is applied. So answer will become I bought. Buy, bought. You will apply the second form of this verb. I bought this beautiful dress from Palika Bazaar. At number 4, who discovered the laws of gravity? Newton. Newton discovered the laws of gravity. When did you visit Taj Mahal? तुम ताजमहल कब गए थे? I visited. I visited the Taj Mahal in 2010. How much did you pay for this book? Now again I paid. Paid. I paid rupees 200 for this book. What were the children doing in the park? The children were playing hide and seek in the park. What were you doing at the platform? I was waiting for the train. The answer will be in past tense, again past continuous tense. So I hope that this exercise is quite clear to you. Students, keep on trying with the exercises. Thank you. Good.